Hey guys, so I know I'm not there with you, and you're supposed to have magnets to do this activity 4.7 bond energies and fuel reactions. Um, so I have them. They might be around the room or they might not be, and I'm not really sure, and I don't want to rely on the sub. So I've got these magnets, and so let's turn to page 4.7a, okay? Um, it says your teacher will give you 4 magnetic discs. I could only find 2, and then I found these other ones that I had like attached to like papers that we're just going to use as well. Okay. It says first orient 2 magnets so that they are attracted to one another. Awesome, right? So these are attracted to one another. Allow them to stick together, then separate them. What do you notice as you try to separate them? So as I pull these apart, and I try to do it kind of slowly, right? There's some force there, right? And I have to pull to get them to break apart. So that's number 1. As you draw the magnets farther apart, what happens to the force between them? Ooh, there's less force. Like these are just floating only until they get about right there. I can start to feel them tug at that point, right? Now flip one of the magnets around so it's oriented opposite to how it was in question 1. So now we're going to try to stick these magnets together. Oh, it doesn't want to, right? Okay. What happens? How does your experience change as you bring the magnets closer together? Right, so here, no one can tell, right? But if you bring them super close, like I can, like if I force them hard enough, I can make them stick. I just have to hold them that way because they really don't want to be there. Okay. Now, that's number 3. So number 4 says put 4 magnets together in a stack. Orient so that they are attracted to one another. So, all 4 stuck together. And try to pull them apart. How does this compare if you try to pull them out in the middle here? Ooh. Oh my goodness, that's much harder. That's much harder to pull apart. I think, these guys are helping each of their sides as I try to pull them apart. I'm trying to make sure you can see it without my nails. Right. Hear it snap, right? But that is harder to pull apart than it was with just the 2. Okay. So that's question 4, right? Question 5 says, which of these describes the energy change when you separated 2 magnets that were stuck together? Okay, so think about when 2 magnets were stuck together. Which of those? Number 1 says energy had to be added to separate them. And number 2 says energy was released when the magnets were separated. Okay, so think about that. Oh, that's the wrong lab. Sorry. Okay. So 5b says also, right, which of these describes the energy change that occurs when 2 magnets draw together, okay? So when they're stuck together, I have to pull them apart, right, and that takes energy. And what change occurs when the magnets are drawn together? So when they're drawn together, like I can even let go, right? So is energy released as they draw together? Or does energy must be added for them to draw together? So think about that. Okay. Then question number, so now go back to your handout and the PowerPoint and watch some slides, and then we'll do another video, okay?